From the famous province for its sophisticated culinary industry, maya pagat panapon kay kayungan, tiga lalawigan ning Kapampangan, probinsya ng Pampanga. Welcome to the finals game 1 of Pampanga Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament Delta Cup 2024. We're broadcasting live here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, where the best of the best will battle it out for the ultimate victory. Get ready for an intense display skill, strategy, and determination. As APALIT, I love it, and Level Up LUBAO, soaring their way to the top. It all begins here. The time is now. This is your Pampanga Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament Delta Cup 2024, the finals. And now, without further ado, let's introduce the two teams who have fought their way through countless matches to earn their spot to the finals. Introducing first from the fast-growing and progressive town of Apong Iru, let us welcome the team who have shown courage, intensity, and resiliency, ready to bounce back after all fall. Narito na ang inyong APALIT, I love it! Assistant coaches, Edgar Pingol, Per Gardiner, Robert Pereira, Romel Odchenko. The players. First from Barangay Balukok, shooting guard number 16, Angel Sangil. From Barangay San Juan, small forward number 15, John Chabozo. From Kapalangan, small forward number 4, Jesse Tyree. Also from Kapalangan, shooting guard number 5, Lawrence Torres. From Barangay Sukad, center number 13, Jos Perez. Also from Barangay Sukad, shooting guard number 18, Carl Camoya. From Barangay Sukad, center number 9, John Mirabel. From Barangay San Juan, shooting guard number 7, Justin Cruz. From Barangay Sukad, small forward number 28, Caleb Macapagal. From Barangay Sampaloc, shooting guard number 2, JD Arlego. From Barangay Kapalangan, center number 14, JP Maglala. From Barangay Paligi, point guard number 8, Edmar Deezer. From Sampaloc, point guard number 3, Yuri Masiba. From Barangay Balukok, center number 22, Christian Silvestre. From Barangay Sulipan, small forward number 1, Kent Montalvo. From Barangay Balukok, point guard number 23, Lendel Garcia. And from Barangay San Vicente, shooting guard number 12, Isaac Dante. Head coach is Saldi Messina. Team honors, Municipal Administrator Mr. Glenn Dantring, Vice Mayor Peter Nakum, and Mayor June Tentanco. Hindi magpapauli, handa nang magpakitang gilas at ipakita ang tunay na kahulugan ng basketball. Soaring their way to the finals, known for their lightning fast moves in the hard court. Let us give it up for Municipality of LUBAO, Level Up LUBAO! Assistant coaches Bert Binuya, Dong Regala, Marty Ocampo, and Dong Regala. The players from Barangay Santa Cruz, forward number 2, Memeng Pangan. From Barangay San Roque, center number 5, Vincent Sinker. From Concepcion, shooting guard number 9, Kenji Gonzalez. From San Jose, shooting guard number 66, MJ De Leon. From Santo Tomas, power forward number 23, Jaren Carolino. From Santa Cruz, center number 30, Hans Garcia. From Santa Catalina, shooting guard number 3, Kevin Montemayor. From Santo Tomas, center number 35, Jordan Mariano. From San Roque, center number 29, Alan Danon. From San Nicolas, power forward number 13, Joshua Bajardo. From Concepcion, center number 14, Ken Liget. From San Miguel, power forward number 24, John Zita. From Concepcion, shooting guard number 22, Mark Manalang. From Santa Cruz, shooting guard number 18, Matthew Madalanzon. From Remedios, guard number 10, Sean Lorico. From Santo Tomas, shooting guard number 8, Franz de la Cruz. And from Santa Cruz, guard number 17, CJ Del Pino. Head coach is James Allen de la Peña. Team manager, Mr. Marty Ocampo. Team owner, Honorable Esmeralda Pineda. And Vice Mayor, J. Montemayor. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the competing teams vying the coveted title of Pampanga Municipalities Cities Basketball Tournament Delta Cup 2024 Grand Champion. Let us give them a big round of applause. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. May we request everyone to please pause for a while and please stand for the opening prayer. Let us all remember the most holy presence of God. Our most holy Father, we praise your most holy name. We ask for the forgiveness of our many sins. We thank you for giving us this fine day, for a chance to play and showcase our talent and skills. Bless everyone present here today, the management, officials, teams, coaches, and players. Bless our families that we left in our home and help us bring pride and honors to them. Please give us the strength and courage to withstand in any all negativity and obstacles that we stand or come before us. As we pray, protect all the players from any injuries. We understand our task and rely on your instructions, and all that we do with honor, victory or defeat. Provide each and every one of us your knowledge to do our best. We ask all this in the name of your Son, our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Amen. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhatit pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Thank you very much. You may now take your seat. Ladies and gentlemen, to formally welcome us, let us welcome an idol of knowledge and inspiration to all of us, the energetic, very supportive, and avid fan of basketball. Ladies and gentlemen, the provincial governor of province of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Maya pa oras po kay Kayungan. Okay. No karenla po rin fans na ning Balen na palit. In fans na po ning Balen LUBAO. Okay. Kaya katama pong Mayor Jun Tetangco. Vice Mayor, SB, Vice Mayor, coaches, players, at intamo pong bisita yung kanako pong kaluguran, yung League President na po ring Mayor's League Philippines, Mayor Bernos po, palakpakan tayo po. Kanako pong kinakapatan, Mr. Danny Lim, matsuyarin po. Ring Pampanga Giant Lantern sa Chula rin po Ken, Manalbela po. First, dakala salamat, kimpa mag-support tayo po ken Delta Cup. Balamo, championship na po ng Giant Lantern, sapak na naman po yung gym tamo. Dakala salamat. Karin players, mamyalong tamo pong masanting, malinis, at don't forget na respect yung kapwa yung players. Okay? Tamo po paboren natin masasaktan king kaya beyo karing kalaban nyo. Tandaanan nyo nak. Metong tamo mo dayang Kapampangan langan ring at Chokeni. Karing fans tamo po, i-cheer tala po rin players tamo. Na po, tamo po mag-involve keng nanumampong gulo. Enjoy tayo po yung game. At pag-pray tala rin players tamo na galingan da po yung piyalong da para po adinan de pong championship trophy po yung Balenyo. Karing mayors tamo, Mayor Esme, Mayor June, ala kayo pong worry, bala mo may kapatad na la po reni. Ne po, metong lamo po decision rening adwa nga reni. Kaya sabi ko pin, there's no reason para miguluya po yung liga tamo. We just need to enjoy the game at rening anak ka reni. Pakit de po kayo kung gaano po kagaling rening anak Kapampangan. And I would like to thanks yung Sinag Liga Asia, sa liga natin na to. Maraming salamat sa inyo at matatapos ang liga na malinis, maganda ang naging liga natin. Thank you sa inyo. So okay, we start the game na po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Dakal pong salamat, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And giving us an inspirational message, let us welcome the Tournament Commissioner of Delta Cup 2024, Mr. Leonardo Leo Isaac.
Pampanga, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Pasalamat po muna tayo sa Diyos na nandito tayong lahat para makapanood ng isang magandang basketball game. Pangalawa, pasalamat din tayo sa ating gobernador, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, na walang sawang itinataguyod, sumusuporta at patuloy na binibigyang katuparan ang pangarap ng bawat basketballistang Kapampangan. Talagang masasabi ko, itong Pampanga, ito na po ang basketball capital ng Pilipinas. Ganitong kalaking pagkakataon na binibigyan ang mga kabataan para talagang pagbutihin ang kanilang pagbabasketball. Nakita nyo naman po ang produkto ng Pampanga. Nandun po. Nandun si Balti, nandun si Encho. Marami pang ibang pangalan na galing sa programa ng ating mabuting gobernador. Ngayon pa lang po, congratulations Team APALIT, Team LUBAO, pero isa lang ang magkakampiyon. Yun ang ating papanoorin. Again, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Commissioner Leo Isaac. And now, players and coaches, let's have the traditional handshake. Before the tip-off, let's have the photo opportunity for both teams together with Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Let's have the photo op. Coaches and players, mayors. Let's have the photo opportunity with Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Malakas sa larangan na ito, ang pangalan ay babakas. Salpakang makikitang lumipad ng mataas. Matibay na dibdib, hindi mo matitinag. Mga manlalarong makikita mo na sisinag. Hawak ang bandera ng liga na may kumpiyansa. Sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at buong Asya.
Dakal pong salamat, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, coaches and players, mayors. It's all set.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
It's a glorious afternoon here at the culinary capital of the Philippines, the center side of the archipelago and the home of the defending champions for our SLA born 2001 inaugural season, the Pampanga Delta. And this is the finals best of 3 series of your 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. 5th consecutive day that we are back-to-back full capacity inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Of course, para dito sa ating game number 1, CJ Delfino and his competitive spirit who's joining the rivalry and hoping to get this championship title in Delta Cup and the trophy back to LUBAO, Pampanga, going up against Kent Montalvo, now back in business and wants a redemption after the collapse on their face-off in the semi-finals round, as his best defensive play against Florida Blanca is a disaster to defend. Our games for today, Level Up LUBAO kontra Minalin All-Stars for the best of 3 series of the finals ng itong Delta Cup 2024. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabalan, Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with the Chief, Enzo Galarosa. Enzo, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon sa iyo at magandang hapon rin sa lahat ng kabalan na nakatutok ngayon sa Facebook and also everyone na nandito sa jam-packed BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Personally, I have not seen BREN GUIAO with this many people and this is very, very interesting kasi game number 1, 2 teams coming out of the semifinals round na top 2 sila, which we will talk about later. Very exciting tong laro natin.
And dahil nga finals natin dito, meron tayong mga kasama on the sidelines. Francine Capili for the side of APALIT, I love it. And MJ Raimundo para sa side ng Level Up LUBAO. But before anything else, matututukan niyo po itong Delta Cup 2024 on our different social media platforms. First on the Facebook page at Pampanga PIO, and of course the YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO, and of course the YouTube channel of the broadcast partner nitong Delta Cup 2024 at Sinag Liga TV. But yun nga no, Enzo, tingnan muna natin dito itong ating finals tournament format dahil nga it is the best of 3 series.
Yes, as you said nga, it's a best of 3 series with the top 1 and top 2 teams ng semifinals round robin maglalaban-laban to determine the 2024 Delta Cup champions. Yung top 3 and 4 naman, they will have one game, a knockout game to determine who is the 3rd placer and who is the 4th placer of the tournament. But dito sa finals, best of 3 dito and importante sino ba ang makakakuha ng unang panalo dito in a best of 3 series kasi after this, you win game 1, you have a virtual twice to beat advantage coming into the next 2 games.
And now let's take a look naman dito sa magiging game story natin sa laban ng APALIT, I Love It kontra Level Up. But before anything else, let's take a look dito sa ating team standings nila nung nagtapos tayo sa semifinals.
Yes, yun nga yung team standings natin. We check out itong Level Up LUBAO, undefeated, unblemished, unscathed ang kanilang record through 3 games, 3-0. Itong APALIT, I Love It, only lost once, and that is ironically to Level Up LUBAO. They beat Florida Blanca, they beat Minalin All-Stars. That's why andirito tayo ngayon sa finals. One team is on a tear, itong Level Up LUBAO, 3-0. Can they make it 4 straight? Ito na mga APALIT looking to avenge that close loss ng semifinal round.
But now, let's take a look dito sa ating magiging game story para sa laban ng APALIT, I Love It kontra Level Up LUBAO. Chasing history.
Chasing history, chasing this 2024 Delta Cup champions. With this many people, with this so much support, with this so much pressure, history is on the line for these two cities and municipalities here in Pampanga.
In line with that, let's now turn it over to our courtside reporter, Francine Capili, para sa update niya dito sa APALIT. I love it. Francine, go ahead.
Good afternoon, Pen and Enzo, and good afternoon din sa mga kabalen na nakatutok sa first match of the championship ng Delta Cup 2024. Lalong-lalo na sa panig ng Team APALIT I Love It. After being absent on their last game, returning player Isaac Danting will be one to look out for. With Kent Montalvo, Lendl Garcia, Yuri Masibak, and Khaled Macapagal. With these names that we know all too well, it will surely be an exciting match for Team APALIT as they hope to extend their dominance and make a comeback against Level Up LUBAO. Now back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Francine, on that one. Now, Isaac Danting return. Kasi kahapon wala siya dito sa laro nila on the semifinals. At alamin natin, ang tanging nakatalo sa APALIT I Love It netong semifinals ay Level Up LUBAO.
Yes, and yun nga Level Up LUBAO, leveled up talaga. Talagang they leveled up in that semifinals round. Unblemished record, 3-0, and actually undefeated pa sila coming into the playoffs. What a run there on, what a tear they have been doing dito sa entire league natin sa Delta Cup. Dito naman for the side of APALIT, you get your star scorer. You get the fan favorite, Isaac Danting, back into your lineup after yesterday's game against Minalin All-Stars, kung saan you dominated the game, wire-to-wire victory for them. Pero you get Isaac Danting, that's a plus for you. But then again, LUBAO has defeated them in the semifinals round with Danting in the lineup. So it's very interesting to see paano mailalaro dito ng APALIT I Love It itong laro. Kasi may mental edge etong LUBAO that we beat you before, we can do it again.
And of course, coming up is the battle between Level Up LUBAO kontra APALIT I Love It. And now I'm turning over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid, para dito sa ating Delta Cup starters of the game.
Bago yan muna, tingnan muna natin ang semifinals matchup result natin. Etong LUBAO won by just 2 points dito, 67 to 65. Look at the field goal percentage, 40% to 35%. Points off turnovers, 25 to 17. But the big thing dito sa matchup na to was John Zita. John Zita hit that block on Montalvo in the last 10 seconds of the game and got that crucial steal off the inbound. John Zita saved the day para dito sa Level Up LUBAO in that ballgame. And at the same time, that late bucket ni CJ Delfino that put them above 67 to 63. Yun yung talagang nagpapanalo sa kanila. And they need all of that. Talking about Level Up LUBAO, they need all of that to happen one more time. Lockdown on defense. But for APALIT side naman, they need Danting healthy. That game, Ice Danting, both of his legs were cramped up, diba?
Yun nga,
so they need his condition right now at tip-top shape.
Sobrang close loss lang nung nangyari ng 67 to 65.
Yes.
With a full lineup ng parehong kumparan. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, dahil may kasama sa dito ng mga special guests. MJ, take it away.
Yes, I am with the Vice Mayor of LUBAO, Pampanga, Vice Mayor J. Montemayor, and the Vice Mayor of APALIT, Pampanga, Vice Mayor Peter Nucom. Now let's start with you first, Vice Mayor J. Montemayor. You were undefeated during the semis and nakita natin how these young players are very hungry na makuha ang unang panalo for the finals. Being their #1 supporter, gaano po ba kayo ka-proud sa kanila, especially na umabot po kayo dito sa finals?
Well, actually, bilang Vice Mayor po ng bayan ng LUBAO, proud na proud po ako sa mga bata kasi everyday po nagpa-practice yan, defense, offense. At siyempre, sa suporta po ng mga barangay captain po ng LUBAO, nandito po dyan yung mga kapitan at former kapitan. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa aming mahal na Mayora Esme Pineda. At sana po makamit po namin ang champion po ng Level Up LUBAO. Maraming salamat po.
Now, meron po ba kayong gustong sabihin or pasalamatan din po dahil puno din po ng LUBAO Pampanga ang BREN GUIAO?
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat po ako sa ating mahal na gobernador po ng Nalawi ng Pampanga, Dennis Delta Pineda, at siyempre sa aking boss, Mayora Esme Pineda, ang ating vice-gobernador, Nanay Lilia Pineda. Maraming salamat po.
At nandito naman tayo sa Vice Mayor ng APALIT, Pampanga, Vice Mayor Peter Nucom. Now, during quarterfinals, sabi po ni Mayor Jun Tetangkop, pinamis niya po na sa lahat na kapag nakapasok po itong APALIT Pampanga, ay pupunuin po ninyo itong convention. At ngayon, punong-puno po ng APALIT Pampanga ang convention. Now, how does this help to motivate the players in this entire final series?
Of course, no? Tignan natin yung ating convention talagang punong-puno ng mga tao, lalong-lalo na yung ating ating kababayan sa bayan ng Apalit. Sinasabi namin sa ating mga players na sa bayan ng Apalit, lalong-lalo na ang kanilang perseverance, ang kanilang pagporsige sa kanilang laban ay kailangan na may teamwork, may puso para makarating sa finals.
No, meron po ba kayong gustong pasalamatan at gustong sabihin sa mga players at supporters ng Apalit Pampanga?
Okay, so first of all, I would like to say thank you to our Governor Dennis Delta Pineda at saka ating Vice Governor Lilia Baby Pineda. Meron silang ganitong programa, lalong-lalo na yung 21 age under na talagang para ma-discover yung ang mga kabataan na may talents, may skills para makarating din sa Manila, sa MPBL at saka sa PBA.
Now, pwede po ba namin makita ang friendly handshake from the both of you bago po tayo mag-start? Now, once again, that is the Vice Mayor of LUBAO, Pampanga and Vice Mayor of APALIT, Pampanga. Pen and Enzo, take it away.
Thank you so much, MJ. And thank you so much, of course, to the Vice Mayor of APALIT Pampanga and LUBAO Pampanga. Now, Enzo, two tough teams who will remain the toughest.
Yes, and yun nga yung question natin. And game number 1 is so crucial in a best-of-3 series. You win this game. You win game number 2, champion na kayo, di ba? And a very interesting thing kasi dito sa laro natin is APALIT's crowd versus LUBAO's crowd. Torotot versus Tambol, di ba? Napakagandang laban yan.
That's why hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa. Coming up is the battle between APALIT I Love It kontra Level Up LUBAO. And I'm turning over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid, para dito sa ating Delta Cup starters of the game.
Mayapagat panapon kay kayungan Delta Cup fans. We're coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to the Game 1 Finals of the Pampanga Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, Delta Cup 2024. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sina Gligasha. We're also live at Pampanga Public Information Office, FB page, and YouTube channel. This is the Game 1 of the Best of 3 series. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First, for your Level Up LUBAO. Starting at forward number 2, Memeng Pangan. Also at forward number 8, Franz de la Cruz. At center number 29, Alan Danon. At guard number 22, Mark Manalang. And the other guard, number 17, CJ Delpino. Head coach for Level Up LUBAO is James Allen de la Peña. Assistant coaches Bert Binuya, Vince Sanga, Martin Campo, and Dano Regala. Your Level Up LUBAO. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your APALIT I Love It. Starting at guard number 3, Yuri Masipa. Also at guard number 23, Lendel Garcia. At center number 14, JP Maglalang. At forward number 1, Kent Montalvo. And also at forward number 12, Isaac Dante. Head coach for APALIT I Love It is Sal de Mesita. Assistant coaches Edgar Pingol, Per Gardiner, Robert Pereira, and Romel Ochenko. Your APALIT I Love It. Game officials charged in action. Anthony Roger, John Panayat, and Dennis Escaros. This is the
The starters for Level Up LUBAO, Mark Manalang, CJ Delfino, Alan Danan, Manuel Pangan, and Franz de la Cruz. And they will face off against Yuri Masibak, Lendel Garcia, JP Maglalang, Kent Montalvo, and Isaac Denting. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo together with Francine Capili on the sidelines. Tignan natin kung kanina mapupunta ang unang ball possession. As 8.2 thousand viewers in our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO.
Jump ball pa lang yan, 8.2 na. Paano pa kaya mamaya, di ba? Oh, nice. Open look!
That is short for Mark Manalang.
Nagdalawang isip pa ako, short o pasok, di ba?
Ako din, akala ko pasok eh. Lando
hindi,
Garcia.
Nung hindi nag-react yung crowd, doon ko lang nalaman na airball.
Back to Danting. This will be the redemption day for Isaac Danting, no?
Yes. But look at that, Montalvo just trying to reach for the ball.
Still Garcia with the basketball. Balik kay Danting ang bola. For three.
Layo.
It's beyond the arc. It goes in and out. Jumper. Ayaw pa rin for APALIT.
And at that time, LUBAO did the right thing dun sa pang-apat na attempt netong APALIT. Nag-gang rebound na sila. Kita nila eh, Montalvo and Maglalang nandun sa ilalim, may dating pa nalilipad. Hindi kaya ni Allen Danan mag-isa yan. Lahat dapat sila magtulungan sa rebound.
Delfino against Garcia.
Good defense.
One and shot. Contested by Montalvo. JP Maglalang back to Yuri Masibak. Masibak back to Danting. Danting with it. Nakuha ni Alan Dana ng bola.
Good block there by Franz De La Cruz, and that's the matchup we are actually talking about. De La Cruz versus itong si Danting. At ito, De La Cruz agad.
And there you have it. That shot is good for Franz De La Cruz.
Imagine mo, no? 20 years old, titira ng ganon. Well defended pa siya. The kid has guts. Grabe, walang katakot-takot tong batang to.
Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Part yan ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns sa juniors.
Ah, well, that's true. Pero ito.
Danting to Yuri Masibak. Masibak will drive. Goes off to the right.
I was gonna say good defense na sana by Delfino. Sinarado niya yung driving lane. Kaso pag sidestep din Masibak, tumalon siya eh. Doon tuloy nagkaroon ng foul.
That shot it's a back pass coming from CJ Delfino to Franz De La Cruz. Yung sinasabi mo, walang hesitation yung pagtira doon ni Franz De La Cruz.
Walang katakot-takot, diba? I mean, pero ito, speaking of walang katakot-takot, si Yuri Masibak, really a really good player. Kayo ni Alvin Tañada nag-cover ng game nila last game against Minalin. I was watching there as a side. At sabi ko, this kid is very fearless. Kahit sino pa yan, Jason Ibay man, kahit nga sarili niya kakampit, tinatry niyang talunan para makuha yung rebound. Fearless itong bata na to, Yuri Masibak. And I compare him to a guy you know, naka-offer mo siya nung courtside ka, JL De Los Santos of JRU, di ba?
Exactly right. So ito na, Masibak again with the basketball.
Look at that drive.
Traveling.
Oh, travel.
Tingnan mo itong crowd ng APALIT. Even though it's a turnover.
Oh, di ko narinig yung pito
They still celebrated.
Ikaw narinig mo? Ako hindi ko narinig. Honestly, I didn't hear the whistle. Kaya akala ko counted. Pagtingin ko gumagano na yung referee. That's how noisy it is in BREN GUIAO. That's how jam-packed we are. And may mga fans pa sa labas ng BREN GUIAO na hindi makapasok.
CJ Delfino. Mark Manalang from the Rainbow Territory. Rebound by Montalvo.
Look at Montalvo. Na-inspire ata kanina sa tune-up ng Lanterns eh. Ganyan tumalon sila Balti kanina eh.
Lendl against Manalang. Back to JP Maglalang.
Good pass.
Nice one! Sayang lang yon for Yuri Masibak.
Oo. And that's one way to attack that kind of defense na binibigay ni Manalang. He's trying to force Lendl Garcia. He's trying to ice him to the sidelines. Punta doon si Garcia sa sideline. Ang ginawa ni Garcia, binitawan niya, give it to Maglalang. Maglalang made the right decision. Hit the cutter. He hit Masibak down low. Late si Allen Danan to challenge and get called for the foul.
Speaking of kanina, sinasabi mo yung tapang neto ni Yuri Masibak. Tingnan mo kung sino yung defenders niya nun. Allen Danan.
Allen Danan. Laki-laki, di ba?
But now, we're 9,000 and 500,000 viewers on Facebook page. And almost full. Not almost, super full.
Alam mo, ano lang kulang? May mga sumabit sa aircon. Yun, di ba
Meron
yun?
na nga, may naka...
Oo, doon
hang
meron
na.
naman nakasabit na, di ba? Para lang makanood, di ba? Together with the 9,400K viewers, di ba? And look at that again, Montalvo. And that got Enzo Serrano's attention. The pride of APALIT, Enzo Serrano himself, pumalakpak dun sa rebound na yun ni Montalvo. And that's what we talked about with Kent Montalvo. The little things he does is so important. The defense on Delfino, the rebounding. Yes, he's tall. Yes, he's a good player. But what makes him special is the little things that he does on the court. Yun ang difference maker for APALIT in today's ballgame.
Kaya nga, yung depensa na itong APALIT is a disaster to defend para dito sa level of LUBAO. Knowing that they will bounce back coming from the close loss in semifinals.
And one thing, the difference between that game that you were talking about in the semifinals and today's game, Mark Manalang's now on the bench. Let's not forget that game ng semifinals. Mark Manalang exploded for 9 continuous points in the first quarter. Sunod-sunod na 9 points kay Mark Manalang. Ngayon, forced tuloy si Coach James De La Peña to sit him down dahil nga ineffective siya.
But that shot from Alan Pangan is no good. But Isaac Actanting is on the other end now. Duelo! Pero may foul dito kay Mark Manuel Pangan.
And that's the right thing to do if you're Eman Pangan. Harangan muna si Danting bago pa siya makatalon. But late siya, he should be a little bit forward. Kung nasan si Sean Lorico, dapat hanarangan na din ni Pangan yun. Kasi pag nakalipad dito si Danting, you have no other choice but to foul him. Pero on Danting's side, you have to hit your free throws. We've been talking about this. This is his weakness. This is his Achilles heel, yung free throws. And it came down to that game, the semifinals round. Danting missed 4 crucial free throws. Sunod-sunod.
Pero binawi nila yung last game eh.
Oo.
Tapos, ito na naman yung nagiging problema nila. As Yuri Masibak just shot 1 free throw.
Out of 2, di ba? Si Masibak na si Danting 0 for 2 pa. Wow! Tough shot there by Lorico.
The hustle rising sun.
Totoo. Grabe.
Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung team niya, no? Because the hustle of this kid is very different. Kung meron ka CJ Delfino, meron ka pang Sean Lorico for level up LUBAO. As another miss from Isaac Actanting.
You can argue that they're the 2 best point guards in Pampanga playing sa Sinag Liga Asia, di ba? No offense to CJ Butison. No offense to CJ Butison. But look at this. Anything that happens on the court, yung dalawang crowd, mag-aasaran yan. And that's why, ewan kung kita dito from our vantage point, na meron tali yan sa gitna ng crowd to divide the LUBAO and APALIT crowd, di ba?
Sabi nga yun ni Coach Alan eh. Sabi niya, papalagyan ko ng harang.
Harang, di ba? Pero parang hindi kinaya eh. Daming tao eh.
Sobrang dami ng tao. Look at that. Rebound coming from Montalvo.
3 rebound na puro galit sa bola, di ba? Sinesecure niya talaga eh.
Garcia asking for help.
Montalvo's free.
From the Rainbow territory. So no good. Lando Garcia with the putback. Ayaw pa rin for APALIT.
May buwelo si Delfino.
CJ against 3.
Good
Nice
defense.
rejection.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! Ayaw pa rin.
May takip yung ring nila.
Lorico for 3. Rebound may maglalang.
And this is what we call nerves. Medyo nararamdaman ng mga players yung pressure. 2 close shots. Mintis for both Danting and Masibak. Open 3-pointer for Lorico. Air ball, di ba? That's pressure na rin. Galing dito sa environment of the finals.
Maglalang for the jumper. And it goes in right now for APALIT. 5-4. Just a 1-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. 9,900 viewers on our Facebook page.
Paangat na ng paangat. Good backdoor.
Oh, almost a good pass.
Oo.
Once again, Fred de la Cruz with a one-hand shot.
Good block there by Danting.
Lended to Masibak. Nice fade!
And look at that. Look at the crowd.
dominance of Yuri Masibak.
Alam niyo, tatalunan si Delfino dun eh. He knew CJ was gonna chase that down. Good use of the up fake. And even Balti is cheering for APALIT.
Danting with the rebound. Sabi nga ni Balti,
Taga mabalakat yan, ha?
Mabalakat daw. Sabi
Mabalakat
niya, wala
yan,
na
eh.
daw yung asawa naman doon yung taga-apalit. Apalit na lang.
Oo. Cheer na lang natin yung kung taga saan nasawa nyo, di ba? Yes, yung siguro sabi ni Balti.
Dancing. To Fancy.
Ayaw pa rin.
4 consecutive missed shots coming.
Grabe! Wow!
And that is the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino.
I've been covering Delfino for 2 years na. And I'm still in awe. Look at how high he just jumped over. Maglalang dun.
Look at how maglalang stand tall against
Oo.
CJ Delfino.
And even the mayor of Abra, the team owner of the Abra Weavers and the mayor of Abra, napailing na lang eh. Magugulat ka dun sa talo ni Delfino. To those of you na nanonood ngayon, the 10,000 fans sa Facebook ng Pampanga PIO, the camera did not do it justice, to be honest, di ba? Grabe, lundag niya nun eh.
And I'm pretty sure that Governor Dennis Dato Pineda is very proud watching CJ Delfino.
Nakangiti nga eh. Napangiti nga si Gov eh.
Lendl. He's asking for help. Libreng-libre dun sa ilalim si Masibak.
Hindi nila nakikita.
Pumwesto dito si Lendl. It's against John Zita, the hero against the semifinals. The thing for way beyond the arc. Still no good. Jumper for Garcia. Ayaw pa din. Puro talagang may takip ng ring.
Oo, pahirapan itong sa APALIT side. But here you go. Look at Masibak.
Traveling.
Yes, he tried to stand up without dribbling. Clear travel violation. But look at the effort from Yuri Masibak. I compared him to JL De Los Santos. Sige, I want to go a level higher. Scotty Thompson, Earl Scotty Thompson. Pride of Davao, Barangay Ginebra player. Ganyan na ganyan ang laro ni Scotty Thompson when he used to play for Perpetual. Kahit MVP siya, diving on the ground, playing defense, rebounding like a menace. And I see Yuri Masibak being that kind of player for APALIT.
Grabe yung ginawa doon ni Yuri Masibak, CJ Delfino against JD Harlego as he checks in for APALIT.
Good pass. Natapik lang.
Ayun na. May vuelo. He's against one. But Montalvo was there. Still short. 4 shots for
Yes.
APALIT on that one.
That's the right term. You said, Ben. 4 shots. Credit Sinke and Zita. Nababasa nila yung gustong gawin ng mga players ng APALIT when they're the last line of defense.
Nagka-foul pa doon. Si JD Harlego against Franz de la Cruz.
Grabe. 20 years of age. Guts of gold. Grabe itong tira na to. Na-escape niya si Danting. A switch happened through contact, getting the basket. 5 points na to his tally after, what, 7, 8 minutes, di ba?
You know, even before, hindi daw talaga part si Franz de la Cruz ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns sa juniors. Pero sabi ni Coach Aisel, may nakita daw talaga sila sa batang yan. That's why they recruited Franz de la Cruz to the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Isama rin siya sa lantern sa pro, di ba? The kid can do it, di ba? This kid is good. 6 points in the first quarter in a finals game, di ba? Oh, good pass.
Edmar Dizon. Still 10,000 viewers on our Facebook page.
Ito na, Dizon and Harlego are now on the floor. Ito na yung Shock Troopers. So also Khalid Makapagal. Ito na yung Shock Troopers ni Coach Zaldi Messina.
Edmar Dizon can drive to the basket. JD Harlego can knock away from the rainbow territory.
Oo. And ito, may Makapagal ka to rebound and jump over anybody, di ba? Ito na yung Shock
Montalvo ka
Troopers
pa.
niya. And ito, papasok pa yung Silvestre mamaya-maya, di ba?
Yun na, Edmar Dizon. Isaac Danting. From the right wing. Knocks his first triple of the ball game coming. We're now tied at 11 after the 3-point shot from Isaac Danting.
The fan favorite.
Pag si Isaac talaga yung nakaka-score.
Oo. Isipin mo, first 3 points niya yun, tapos ganyan na agad yung reaction ng crowd. Kala mo game winner.
Dizon again. Another missed possession for LUBAO. Harlego for 3. Short rebound by De La Cruz.
May buwelo to si De La Cruz.
Running against Dizon.
Great use of the body.
Nagulat ako dun. Pag pagkakuha niya ng rebound, diretso siya against Ed Martizo, nagginamit lang niya yung katawan niya, nakascore na agad siya.
20 years old, no? Pero parang mama na akong maglaro eh. The way he plays. Again, Danting, same spot.
He gets the rebound. Fancy pass to Montalvo. One-hand shot. It works now for Kent Montalvo.
And like that, this is the Ken Montalvo that I wanted to see dito sa finals. Hindi niya kailangan gumawa ng ganong karaming dribble. He doesn't need to create a shot. Tambay-tambay gano'n doon sa ilalim. Danting, Lendel, and Yuri will find you underneath. And this is the Montalvo that actually APALIT needs. Hindi nila kailangan yung ginawa niyo sa Minalin, yung nakahabol, yung panay dribble. They don't need that from him. That's what he needs to do. Good block right there by Montalvo. Nabawian niya si John Zita from the semifinals.
So no time to replenish for level up LUBAO on that play. We're tied at 13. We also thought that we still have 2 minutes para dito sa ating first quarter, pero wala na pala. Look at that. Franz de la Cruz from way beyond the arc knocks that first triple off the ball game. Once again, Edmore, JP maglalang. Grabe, ito pinapakita ng APALIT. I love it. Look at that, Sean Lorico with a jumper. One of the players for the Hustle Rising Suns. Bagay na bagay kung nasaan siyang team at sinag-liga Asya. Dahil kakaiba ang hustle ng batang ito. And that Yuri Masibak. And look at that, CJ Delfino standing against JP Maglalang with an end one. So we're tied at 13. The end of the first half, entering our second quarter of the ball game dito sa ating level up LUBAO kontra APALIT. I love it.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024. Inter-Municipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Edmore, Justin Cruz for APALIT. I love it.
And look at that, Delfino, wala pa ring pahinga ngayon. He's the only remaining guy sa first quarter na wala pang inuupo ni isang segundo sa bench. Danting, Montalvo, Garcia are already on the bench. Manalang already came off the bench. Inupo kanina na saglit si Manalang. Also, Alan Danan. Delfino's the only guy na wala pang pahinga dito coming off the first quarter, coming off the jump ball. And bakit naman hindi? Tanda natin, in the finals game si Nagliga Asya, he was known as the finals MVP. As look at that, full capacity crowd tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO. 2,000 ang capacity, di ba dito?
Parang 3,000 yung nandito.
Oo.
Meron pa nasa labas eh.
Meron sa doon nga sa hagdanan, baka iba.
Ayun na, meron na.
Meron na nakatago sa hagdanan, di ba?
We're tied at 13 when we enter the second quarter of this ball game. At ito look at that, Justin Cruz, parang gusto niyang tumira ng tres from that shot. Makapagal. Hindi yung usual shot ni Khaled Makapagal.
Yes. Delfino kicked the ball. Uh-oh. Harlego and Delfino.
Nagkakainita na dito.
Oo.
Pero yan yung laro ni CJ Delfino.
Yes, that's his game. And if you're JD Harlego, you're trying your best na tanggalin sa laro. As we saw that kick ball, tanggalin si Delfino sa laro. Diba? Take his mind off the game kasi these are the games that Delfino loves to play with. Mga asar yung crowd, malaking crowd. This is where he lives to play talaga. Even nung San Beda Red Cup days nga pa, when they won the championship in the NCAA Juniors, ganun na ganun sila. Ganun na ganun si Delfino maglaro. He is a star. And because star siya, this is where he shines. So if you're Harlego, do as much as you can to just take away Delfino from the game.
Ito Christian Silvestre checks in.
Laki ni Silvestre, di ba? Compared to everyone on the floor.
Dizon. Back to Harlego. Wala pa din for JD Harlego. But the possession still goes to APALIT.
Yes, a foul on John Zita. First personal on John, trying to hold on to Makapagal.
Let's not forget the John Zita. Yung depensa niya doon. on the inbound ang nagpanalo sa level up Lubao.
And the block before that on Montalvo, di ba? He was literally the hero of that game. Pero right now, for sure pinagplanuhan siya dito ng APALIT na si Zita ang papanalo sa kanila. But look at that.
Hindi pwede sa kaliwa. Doon niya sa right corner kukunin. JD Harlego.
The most dangerous man coming off an inbound is always the inbounder. Harlego yung pumasa, tumakbo bigla sa corner. Great out-of-bounds play for APALIT.
Mark Manalang against Edmar Dizon. Allen Danan.
And look at the crowd dito. And I was gonna ask, until when is Coach James De La Peña going to keep Franz De La Cruz on the bench? I was about to say that. Ito na si Franz De La Cruz, oh.
Ayan na. Dahil hindi nga talaga sila pwede magpakampante dito.
Oo. I mean, APALIT, after that game no Florida Blanca, diba? When they beat Florida Blanca, coming off a loss dito sa LUBAO, everything turned around for APALIT. They beat Minalin All-Stars, diba? They defeated Minalin All-Stars. And yun nga, pagkatalo nila sa... Yung panalo nila sa Florida Blanca was no joke. They literally took Florida away from the game.
Nice bounce pass.
Bitin.
Bitin lang. Si Khaled Makapagal. Yung kamukha ni Ken Puntal. Sasabihin ko na naman sana Ken Puntal. Nakita ko walang tato.
Walang tato. Oo, sa tato ka magbabase. Kasi minsan yung jersey, hindi mo makikita yung jersey number. Sa tato ka magbase.
Kung kanina ang tanong mo, how long will Coach Alan De La Peña i-keep niya sa bench si Franz De La Cruz? How long naman i-keep ni Coach Zaldi Messina si Isaac Danting?
Well, with the way the 5 is playing on the floor, di ba? Baka medyo matagal-tagal pa kasi ang ganda nung nilalaro ng 5 niya sa floor eh. Look at that, oh.
Parang si Kent Montalvo din tumala.
Interchangeable, di ba? So they can afford to let Danting sit for a long period of time. For LUBAO naman, tamo ngayon, Delfino hindi pa nilalabas eh.
No time to rest for CJ Delfino. There's a whistle against MJ De Leon.
Which Eman Pangan daw. Take a look at this right here.
Justin Cruz.
Oh, may bigay siya ng konting balikat.
Linaw talaga ng mata ng mga referees natin.
Oo.
They'll be an inbound once again. Justin Cruz. Nice bounce pass to Silvestre. Naglalabanan sila doon ni Danan.
Yes. Danan's really trying hard. Good block there by Pangan.
De Leon with the basketball. Back to CJ Delfino. Big ang bola kay MJ De Leon for 3. Diretso sa kamay ni Khaled Makapagal. Balik ang bola. Tingnan mo, yung dalawa, si Justin Cruz at si Edmar Dizon. Magkamukha
eh.
Hindi ko na sila.
7 and 8 pa. Good pass.
Oh! Sino yun? It's just
Edmar
Dizon.
Dizon. Kala ko Cruz din, no?
Grabe.
Talaga eh. Kung may Cruz at Dizon din, tapos may Makapagal at saka Montalvo. And yun, parang role reversal eh. Dizon was looking at Justin Cruz and then din-drop pass niya kay Makapagal. Kita mo, Montalvo din sana sabihin ko.
Franz De La Cruz. Pero may foul. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa update niya dito sa Level Up LUBAO. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Pen and Enzo. Halos walang pahinga at walang practice ng kanyang players. But sabi ni head coach James Allen De La Peña, we made sure na nakapagpahinga at prepared yung utak namin. Kasi ito na lang yung magiging way namin to execute our game plan. If we need to adjust in game, gagawin namin kahit opensa at depensa pa yan. Let's see if they can dominate today's game. Balik muna sa inyo, Pen at Enzo.
Thank you so much on that update, MJ. Enzo, ito din yung sinasabi ko nung semifinals eh. No time for recovery.
Yes. Mahirap yun eh kasi kahapon lang kayo naglaro. Oh, good
nice
up fake.
Justin Cruz! What a
Grabe.
basketball IQ! Alam niya, ang tangkad ng defender niya na si Alan Danan. And alam niya na i-contest at i-contest siya.
The sea of white went wild after that shot, di ba? Mas hirap na hirap pa ngayon itong LUBAO to score. This second unit ni Coach Zaldi Messina is doing them wonders. I'd even go to say na much better yung ginagawa ng second 5 niya than his first 5.
7-0 rounds. So it alarms coach James Allen De La Peña. Timeout 20-13.
Ito na ang pagkakataon mo. Pakita ang iyong pagmamahal sa inyong minamahal. Kaya kuya, kiss mo na si Acheng. Kiss! 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 Yun! Eto ba isa? Kiss! Kuya, kiss mo naman si Acheng. Kiss! Ako magkumpare pala. Yung kiss! Yan! Kiss naman dyan! Kiss! Metong lang, metong! Aroon! Alright! Yan ba isa, ha? Kiss naman dyan, kiss! Kiss naman dyan! Ako nahiya. Ayan.
Akala ko ikikiss yung tarpaulin ni Alan Danan.
Alam mo, ang interesting na dalawang araw natin ng kiss cam tayo. Yesterday, lahat na nag-participate sa kiss cam, lalaki kumis sa babae. Ngayon, yung dalawang nag-participate, yung babae yung kumis sa lalaki. Fair. Fair game, di ba? Kumbaga, quits lang.
Grabe. 6 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. 20-13, a 7-0 run for APALIT. I love it. JD Harlego still working with Christian Silvestre, Edmar Dizon, Justin Cruz, and Khaled Makapagal for APALIT. Harlego for 3 again. It's short.
Look at Manalang really trying his best to box out Silvestre. Binigay na niya yung buong katawan niya para lang ma-box out si Silvestre doon.
And Delfino to De La Cruz. Goes off to the left. Rebound by Harlego. Back to Dizon. Dizon will drive. No, pinasa niya kay Justin Cruz.
Good up fake.
Ganda na sana nun.
Oh, Delfino has a driving lane.
Nice pass to Pangan with a jumper. Another turnover.
Pat na ngayon, parehong koponan na may ano na sa ring. Takip na, but ito level up LUBAO, wala pa silang puntos dito as you said, and we're at the midway point of the quarter now.
Dizon, bounce pass to Harlego. Back to Dizon. Dizon to Cruz. Back to Dizon. Look at the ball handling. The jumper for Edmar Dizon.
Yung magkamukha, nagpasahan silang dalawa. Grabe ah. The chemistry of APALIT is showing now. 9 points na tuloy ang kalamangan nila.
De La Cruz. Mark Manalang.
Ayaw pa rin.
Ganyan yung nagisimula ng APALIT.
Oo, the semifinals round, di ba? Ngayon, baliktad na. This time, it's now level up LUBAO who's struggling from the field.
And it's 11-0 run. Another turnover. De La Cruz against 3.
Good pass.
Kala ko ayaw pa din yun eh.
Oo, but good pass there by Franz De La Cruz. Really trying his best to outwork everybody on the floor. But that's just the first field goal for level up LUBAO.
Look at that. Franz De La Cruz. Alam niya hindi niya nakakayanan. Nakita niya doon na libreng-libre dito sa Eman Pangan. Kaya naman, napatawag dito ng timeout si Coach Zaldi Messina with 4 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. 22-15.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Franz De La Cruz, 20 points, 4 rebounds, and 3 assists in the semifinals game. LUBAO won by a 2-point margin against APALIT. I love it, 67-65.
20 points in that ball game. Samahan mo pa yung production din ni Mark Manalang. Yun nga, dinab natin sila, Splash Brothers that game, di ba? Kasi halos lahat ng tres na binato nila pumapasok. But in this ball game, 1 pa lang. It's only Franz De La Cruz's 3-pointer pa lang ang pumapasok for them.
Doon nga pumapasok, Enzo, yung sinasabi ko kanina na both teams, no recovery time na makapag-scout pa ulit ng maayos na kung ano man yung pinerform nila.
Yes.
But that was too strong for Justin Cruz. Isaac Danting checks in for APALIT.
Yes, and dito masusubukan actually. Pag ganyan yung mga nangyayari, no recovery time, no training to adjust. dito magpapasok yung IQ nga ng players as to what MJ or Milka said kanina sa report niya on Level Up Lubao, di ba? Dito papasok din yung deep rotation. And for me, APALIT has a deeper rotation than Lubao. But, yan ang counter dito ng Lubao.
Mark Manalang puts it in the basket for Level Up Lubao.
Look at them hound Isaac Danting in the full court.
Look at that move coming from Justin Cruz.
Good block again by Pangan.
Cruz again, Lando Garcia against Franz de la Cruz. Danting, hinihingi niya dito ang bola. Off to the right. Tignan mo yung sipag ni Silvestre ngayon.
Oo. Doing his work early. Bumabox out. Pumepwesto na. Hindi lang talaga siya nakikita ng mga teammates niya na libre siya sa ilalim eh.
De la Cruz. Back to Manalang. Manuel Pangan. Grabe naman yun.
Tinataas niya yung tres kasi he knows that's not usually his shot. Mid-range talaga sa tiro niya. That time he took a 3 and he made it. Now, 1-point game na lang tayo.
7 consecutive points for Level Up Lubao after Coach Zaldi Messina's timeout. Mas mukhang nag-work ang timeout na yun for Level Up Lubao. That fancy pass, no good for Danting.
Wow! Sayang lang.
Sayang for the Tasmanian Devil. Montalvo. Step back. Garcia with a speed move. Offensive foul.
Parang natamaan si Manalang sa area na ayaw naming mga lalaking matamaan. That's where he's holding on to. Namimilipit siya and our referees are going to review it sa IRS.
I think kung kaya bang i-upgrade.
Oo, pwede
foul
pa.
Na yun.
And honestly, mahirap yan eh. Kahit kung ako medic, di mo rin alam paano gagamutin yan eh. Matama ka dyan sa area na yan. He's all alone down on the ground and the assistant coaches are going to approach him now. Still down itong si Manalang.
At ito nire-review ng ating mga referees ang kung ano. There you have it, may decision na sila.
Offensive foul now, just a regular offensive foul. Manalang is still down on the floor. There you go. Dapat italon-talon niya talaga yan. Let's take a look at this right here, what happened. Oh, inadvertent. Paglabas ng siko dito ni Garcia, it hit in that area, right in the groin area. Tumalong kasi din siya ng konti eh. A good call by the referees na offensive foul lang, hindi in-upgrade to, you know, unsportsmanlike.
It's 2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining in our second period. There will be an inbound for Level Up Lubao. MJ De Leon. San Lorico inside for CJ Delfino.
First rest of the game dito ni Delfino yan, ha?
Lorico against Masibak. Back to MJ De Leon. Ayun naman, si Ken Montalvo. Mag-isa na lang siya doon, kahit alam niya mag-isa na lang siya, tinalon pa din niya. Ayan, bumubuelo, si Ken. But no, pinasa niya dito kay John Mirabel with the jumper.
Look at that.
Yuri Masibak.
Look at that.
At the center for the putback.
That's what I'm talking about. Itong si Yuri Masibak. Ganyan talaga yung game niya. Really reminds me of Earl Scotty Thompson.
De la Cruz. Lorico with the jumper, his signature move. Montalvo again on the rebound.
Pang-5, pang-6 na tayo ni Montalvo na rebound eh.
A 3-point lead for APALIT. I love it. With 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining in our second period. Masibak to Garcia. Guarded by Lorico. Mirabel gives the screen for Masibak.
2
Bounce
seconds.
pass. Danting for 3.
Oh!
What a buzzer beater shot for Isaac Danting.
Grabe. Buzzer beater talaga yon. And the clock was winding down at 1 second. He had to fire that from way downtown. Good pass. What a pass there by Franz de la Cruz.
50 seconds remaining. 27-23, a 4-point lead for APALIT. Danting once again.
Uh-oh! Oh! Wow!
Kinulang lang doon si Isaac Danting. But look at his reaction after that.
I nearly lost my cell phone jumping for that. Grabe! Wow!
Let's take a look.
Look at that!
Alam mo na kasi bumuelo na si Ice eh.
With malicious intent. No regard for human life. Ice Danding tried to put on a poster. And that got Coach Pedic off his seat. Look at that. Coach Pedic is now off his seat na. Even si Coach Pedic nagulat.
You don't contest and rolling tiger himself on that shot.
Grabe.
At ito pa din ang problemang kinakaharap ni Isaac Danting.
And look at that. Diba, it's really in his head na rin eh. Nasa utak na rin niya. Nababother din siya that he can't shoot free throws. He can't make free throws.
He can shot from way beyond the arc. He can drive to the basket. He can dunk. But this is the main problem of an Isaac Danting.
0 for 4 na siya in this ball game from the free throw line.
He gets the rebound.
If I'm level up LUBAO, Amadou Haka Danting, di ba? Fouling ko siya ng fouling. No, let him shoot his free throws. Kasi he can do things like that, di ba? Why not if you're LUBAO? Fouling yun siya kaysa gumawa siya ng mga ganung moves, di ba? Maybe there's a tactic that LUBAO could actually explore.
29-23 with 13 seconds remaining. Delfino. A 6-point lead for APALIT. 5 seconds.
Oh, muntik na yun.
Almost a steal. Francois shot.
Grabe!
Oh! What a replenish. Coming from Franz de la Cruz, a 20-year-old from Pampanga Giant Lanterns Jr.
Pangklase.
Binabas sa tatlo ang kalamangan. 29-23 at the end of the first half. What a first half run for both teams. Look at that, 1.5 seconds remaining.
Parang wala lang sa kanya, di ba? Pagbitaw niya, parang alam niya pasok na yun. They just walked it off.
And it doesn't just go from the 24-footer line. It seems like 30, 32.
30 or 32 feet, di ba? And look at that. Parang, I've been doing this for a long time. Yun siguro sabi niya. Grabe ito si Franz de la Cruz, ha?
That's why at the end of the first half, we're 29-26. APALIT I Love It kontra Level Up LUBAO. Kaya tutok lamang po mga kabalandan. Magbabalik kami para dito sa ating Data Cup 2024.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Lark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday.
Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok sa ating Delta Cup 2024 at ito ang laban ng Level Up LUBAO kontra APALIT I Love It, the Game 1 of the best of 3 series of the finals at the end of the first half. 29-26, a 3-point lead for APALIT I Love It. Look at that, CJ Delfino, fancy pass to Franz de la Cruz, knocks the triple coming from beyond the arc. Look at the crowd reaction and that pass coming from Lendl Garcia to Yuri Masibak. Escapes the defensive stop from CJ Delfino, and after that, bumawi ito si Delfino ng foul and one against JP Maglalang. Look at that jumper coming from Edmore Dizon. One of the players who really stand tall, even though that he's just playing point guard for APALIT I Love It. And look at that triple coming from Isaac Danting with just 1 second left on the shot clock. The end of the first half, our leading scorers, Franz de la Cruz with 11, Manuel Pangan with 5, CJ Delfino with 3, and for the side of APALIT I Love It, Isaac Danting with 8, Yuri Masibak with 6, Edmore Dizon with 4. Penelope Wilhelmina still joined by Enzo Galarosa, MJ Raimundo, and Francine Capili on the sidelines. Isaac Danting on your screens together with Franz de la Cruz.
Grabe, and one thing dito para sa panig na APALIT, I'm looking at the stats right now. second chance points talagang nanalig sa kanila. 10 points off of those second chances. 0 for Level Up Lubao. Walang second chance opportunities ang nabibigay dito sa Lubao. Talagang 0. Goose egg from the second chance points. And speaking of,
SLA opens another tourney as opening ceremony tomorrow, Sunday, March 17, 2024 at Events Hall, SM South Mall Las Piñas. Our game number 1 for our 19 unders Elite Basketball kontra NYBL JY Titans, at para sa ating 23 under game number 2 Parañaque Pelicans kontra the brand new TGC Santa Rosa Saints.
grabe, exciting na exciting. Especially yung dalawang games na yon. I'm really excited. Especially makikita ko ulit yung youngest head coach in the entire country, di ba? Kilala mo ba yun?
Coach Ernest Alaw.
Ayun ba? Akala ko si
Franz de la Cruz ended this ball game, ended the first half with a triple, and he started this third quarter with another triple.
tie game na naman tayo, di ba? Franz de la Cruz now with 14 points.
9 minutes and 32 seconds. Pero may foul doon for Level Up Lubao.
Dangerous pass yun. Buti na lang nasalo ni Ice.
Nanting back to Garcia. Now it's to Montalvo. Montalvo back to Garcia for 3. Libreng-libre. It's too strong. Montalvo on the rebound.
Sumabit dun si Franz de la Cruz. But good decision galing dun kay Montalvo. Bago pa niya makita na, bago pa dumating yung double team sa kanya sa poste, binato na agad niya papunta kay Lendel Garcia, which he was wide open. Great recognition by Montalvo there. And I'm seeing a different Kent Montalvo ngayong araw. And it's paying off kasi Lendel Garcia still a little bit parang struggling. Ever since the playoffs started, di ba? Medyo nagsastruggle ng konti si Lendel Garcia. But kasi ine-expect na ng mga teams yan from Lendel that he will perform as he should be, di ba?
As he should be. As 2 out of 3 now for Lendel Garcia. He should be dahil ni-reveal na siya ni Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan and Coach Benji Navarro that he will play for Luwid 1 Kapampangan on the upcoming 23 under of our Sinag Liga Asia. 3 out of 3 for Lendel Garcia.
Yes.
Nine minutes and 16 seconds. France for 3. Goes off to the center. Rebound by Danting.
Good
First
pass.
half, second chance point. 0 for Level Up Lubao and 10 for APALIT. I love it.
Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, di ba? The glaring stat line para dito sa APALIT talaga is the second chance points. A good move.
La Cruz to Zita. Tingnan mo yung tapang na yun ni Yuri Masibak.
Oo, and that time talaga yung tangkad na rin talaga ng APALIT ang nanalig dun eh. Kita mo naman, tumalon lahat. Wala kang spasyo. Kung ikaw yung player na titira, saan mo ilalagay yung bola, di ba?
Medyo nag-rhyme ka dun ah. APALIT na nalig.
Oo, siyempre.
Danting for the rebound.
Uh-oh.
May pinasa yung kay Lendel Garcia.
Good pass. Get your point guard recognition. Tumakbo si Garcia on the floor at nag-abang doon sa open spot. Danting rewarding his point guard. Clear offensive foul on John Zita. Maglalang is getting into John Zita's head. And look at that, oh. May konting tapik si Maglalang kay Zita nung dumaan siya. Iniisahan ni Maglalang si Zita. But look at that beautiful dish right there. Galing dito kay Danting. I was trying to rhyme something with his name, pero wala akong maisip.
The 5 consecutive points coming from Lendel Garcia after he knocked the 3 free throws with a miss for Montalvo.
One thing here for APALIT, ha. Di sila pwedeng magpakumpiyansa kasi itong Level Up Lubao, kahit hirap sila, they're still in this ball game. Look at that move by Franz. Look at that!
Parang hindi naman 20 years old yung gumawa ng shot na yon.
Grabe. I mean, between the legs para pagpagin si Danting, the step-through move. He's doing everything right now for Level Up Lubao. Just like that!
It could have been a back-to-back shot coming from the 20-year-old Franz de la Cruz. Nag-birthday na ba yan? Last time, 90.
Ewan ko, hindi ko sure. Kasi, ang sabi kasi, according to MJ, nireport ni MJ kasi 20. Look at that, pinagpag lang niya si Danting doon and then he splits the defense. And for context, ladies and gentlemen, for context, when Enzo Serrano was playing for Adams and Baby Falcons back in the UAAP, Enzo was just going 100% speed, as we can see right here.
Rocky, our chairman for our Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Rocky Chan, together with Ma'am Janice Chan, and of course, the tournament commissioner for Delta Cup 2024 and stands as a COO of Sinag Liga Asia, Coach Leo Isaang. Going back to sinasabi mo.
Ayun nga, si Enzo Serrano, when he used to play for Adams and Baby Falcons back in high school, always one speed lang yun si Enzo eh. Pag nakuha niya yung bola, dediretso na agad siya sa basket. Kagaya ng ginagawa ni Ice Danting, di ba? Yun nga yung comparison ko kay Danting before. Enzo Serrano. Dito kay Franz de la Cruz, kalmado siya. Look at that.
Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, together with Coach Pedic Di Matulak.
If yung hat ni Gov Delta, if that doesn't inspire the young kids of Pampanga, di ba? Champion.
And
diba?
nung nagbigay siya
That
kanina
doesn't
nung
inspire you. Ewan ko na.
speech niya, nandun yung champion ring.
Yes, di ba? Yung ring is there.
3-point shot! From the Tasmanian Devil, 6 points for CJ Delfino for this ballgame. Let's bounce back to Danting.
They need to do more. They need to get more from Delfino in this ball game. He needs to lead his team.
Talbo for 3. Off to the left. Rebound by Manalang. Back to CJ Delfino. We're tied at 34. The biggest lead of the ball game is 6. Delfino against Yuri Masibak.
Oh, under the screen again. They're daring Delfino to shoot the 3. Ayaw nilang umatake siya. They're daring him to shoot outside jumpers.
Danting, sinukat muna!
Look at Maglalang.
Grabe yung lipad doon ni JP Maglalang.
Parang ano pa ngayon, nabitin ng konti kasi napaaga yung talon niya eh.
Parang gusto pa na idakdak yun ni JP Maglalang.
Balik ngayon ng Kalamangan Pen sa APALIT, 36-34.
2-point lead. Jumper for Manuel Pangan. Off to the left. Rebound by Maglalang. Back to Danting. Montalvo. It's a 4 shot for Montalvo.
Oo. Hinarangan na kasi ni Manalang eh. Gumit na siya talaga doon para hindi makatira at makabuelo. Ito si Montalvo.
Manalang for 3. Short. But the possession belongs to APALIT.
Look at this, Coach James De La Peña putting in Jeren Carolino for the first time. He did not play the last 2 ball games na level up LUBAO. Talking about Jeren Carolino. Ngayon, pinasok siya ni Coach James. Dudukot siya ng someone na wala sa scouting report in this finals, di ba?
Let's take a look on what will happen to level up LUBAO. Ito na. Ayan na.
Di ba?
Naka-steal
Depensa.
na.
Oo.
Delfino against Masibak. Nice pass. Ayan na.
Oo.
Ayan pala ang tinatago ni Coach James Allen De La Peña.
And yun nga sinasabi ko eh. Someone that's not in the scouting report, magugulat tong kabilang team. Kasi hindi mo napaghandaan eh. Pagpasok niya, magugulat na lang yung kabilang coach na, wait, we don't have that Jeren Carolino on the line, on our scouting report. So hindi mo alam, paano ba laro niyan? Paano ba nilalaro yan? How are they incorporating him in the offense?
And that pass coming from Delfino, it seems like napraktisado yung play na yun.
Kabisado ni Delfino siguro to si Carolino, but APALIT, they were in shock. Parang di nila sure ano bang ilalaro na itong Carolino na to.
Maglalang.
Look at that, he's even reaching for the block there.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Francine Capili, para dito sa update niya sa panig ng APALIT. I love it. Francine, take it away.
Hello again, Pen and Enzo. It is history in the making for Team APALIT as they hope to make a comeback against Level Up LUBAO. They took it personally. Ika nga nila, this game will be an ultimate redemption performance for APALIT. And when I asked head coach, Coach Zaldi Messina, what their mindset was coming into this game, ang sabi niya lang, focus lang ang lahat from the coaching staff to the players and leave it all out on the court. Huwag pag-give up kagad at consistency lamang is the mantra for Team APALIT. Now back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much on that update, France. You know, Enzo, consistency, yun ang pinaka-natandaan ko from Coach Zaldi Messina's word.
Actually, in any ano naman eh, in any aspect of life, consistency is always key, di ba? Kasi sinasabi nila sa love daw, ganon. Pero dito sa basketball kasi, consistency is always key. Your offense might not be there, but how consistently you just like that, Delfino, how consistent you set up your teammates, how consistent you play defense. That's important in the game of basketball, especially in a finals game. How consistent is your effort? Yun yung tinutukoy. Consistent by effort mo on the floor. And if meron mang magbabago sa effort mo, dapat paangat, hindi siya pababa.
Lendl Garcia was fouled against Mark Manalang. 1-point lead for APALIT. It's now a tied ball game. Coach Aisel Santos. Advance happy birthday to Coach Aisel. Birthday niya next week.
Coach Pedic. Okay. Alam mo, nagulat ako. Sabi niya, hindi pa daw siya natututukan ng camera kanina nung halftime. Ngayon nung tinutukan siya, kitang-kita niya, hindi siya, akala ko may gagawin something special. Yung pala yung pag ni Coach Pedic.
Alam mo, nag-chat yun sa akin kanina. Tutukan daw siya ng camera dun sa ano.
Kaya ngayon nung tinutukan, walang ginawa.
Tune up ng lanterns.
Tinutukan siya kanina.
Nag-chat sa akin. Sabi ko, Coach, wala pa po ako.
Tinutukan siya kanina. Gulat na gulat nga daw siya nun eh.
Delfino. It's against Danting. Manalang against Dizon.
Pahirapan.
Nice ejection coming from Makapagal.
8 seconds.
Jumper for Franz de la Cruz. Counted in for Franz de la Cruz.
Grabe, ang galing nitong bata na to. I'm surprised. When I asked him, meron na bang school na tumatawag sa'yo? Sagot ka sa akin, wala pa. How? Diba? How in the world is this kid not being recruited yet? I'm still in shock.
Most probably after this, meron at meron na.
I'm pretty sure, diba?
As I mentioned earlier, that this will be another history to unfold.
Yes. And look
Not
at that.
only for the Kapampangan basketball, but for the Philippine basketball as well.
Okay, kita mo naman yung talent, diba? And our tournament commissioner and the COO of Sinag Liga Asia already declared it that this is the basketball central of the Philippines, the basketball capital of the Philippines, ang Pampanga.
Hindi lang sila culinary capital of the Philippines.
Offensive foul on Carolino.
Level up LUBAO is now up by 1. 40-39, 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Substitution on the floor. Sinke checks in for Danan.
Maglalang silently doing his work well dito sa third period. Yung box out niya, yung mga fouls na nadudraw niya, rebounding yung defense. He is silently trying to take control of the ball game right now. But yun nga, again, we talked about this, yung free throws.
Hindi man maka-drive ngayon sa basket itong si JP Maglalang, watching him on the elimination rounds. He's putting his best defensive play para makatulog dito sa panig ng APALIT 11. And what they did yesterday to Minalin All-Stars was collective effort.
Yes.
Imagine mo, lahat sila at the end of the first half, 14 players ang naipasok dito ni Coach Aldi Messina, 10 ang nakascore.
First half pa lang yun, First half pa lang yun. That's the glaring part of it. First half pa lang yung sinasabi mo, di ba? Paano pa kayo ng endgame, di ba?
Now tied at 40.
Again, they're daring Delfino.
Look at that, Silvestre on that rebound.
Oh, offensive foul there on Silvestre. They say a wayward elbow from Christian Silvestre.
10,700 viewers in our Facebook page.
And look at Danting. He's telling his teammates, di ba? Kasi kanina, nung kay Maglalang, nakikipag-asaran siya sa fans ng LUBAO. Dito naman, Silvestre got, medyo napikon siya na may sumusundot. So he threw an elbow. Danting is telling his teammates backcourt, that's a backcourt violation. Danting is telling his teammates,
Coming from Edmar Dizon.
And that's one thing. Sinasabi ni Danting into France report kanina kay Coach Zaldi, focus lang, di ba? And Danting is known to, dito, part siya ng mga championship teams. Alam niya paano mag-perform dito in the brightest light, when the lights are the brightest. So tinuturuan niya yung mga teammates niya, huwag tayo makipag-asaran. Huwag tayo makipag-pisikalan. Let's just play our game. Focus lang tayo.
Kung focus lang din ang labanan, Isaac Danting is very known for that, knowing that he came from Coach Tab Baldwin of the Ateneo.
And then ngayon, Coach Pido Harencio, di ba? Two legendary coaches. Pero you know, one thing crazy ngayon about the game, sabi ko kanina, Toronto Tambol, merong walis tambo ako nakita nire-raise isang Lubao fan. Binaba na ngayon pero may walis tambo kanina doon. Or walis tingting ata. May nagtataas ng walis kanina. Nakakagulat eh.
Kanya-kanya nga sila dito na talaga. Tarpaulin. Yung
Torotot.
Head tarpaulin. Yung mga ulo lang ng mga player. Diba sa UAP ganon. Pag championship.
Alam mo ano na lang kulang? Naalala mo si Angel, yung kaibigan natin dati, yung nagbabato ng gano'n na banner na may pangalan, number ng player. Yung sumisigaw sa ilalim ng basket. Angel yun, pangalan
I
nun.
remember.
Angel yun, di ba? Yun na yung kulang dito eh, may mag-ganon eh.
Alam mo ba kahapon ng halftime? Para
Dito
din
siya?
sa mga kabalan na, di ba siyempre pag halftime nagbe-break tayo, walang naka-on
Yeah.
cam. Yung mga bata ng netong Level Up Lubao, nagrampa dito sa gitna ng court. Tapos tinatambulan sila ng mga drummers. Tapos dala-dala nila yung tarpaulin ng Lubao.
I don't know, nasa labas tayo kanina, baka may gumawa rin dito inside the court, we don't know. Pero ito, another
walis
turnover.
tingting nga, Enzo.
Oh, di ba? Walis tingting nga, sabi ko sa'yo eh. These fans are crazy, alam mo yun? Crazy in a good way, di ba? Nakakatuwa yung fans dito sa Pampanga eh.
Manalang for 3 eh.
That would have been big if that hit.
Well, dito ni Franz de la Cruz with a jumper once again. Too strong for now.
Look at the fight from Justin Cruz. Taller Carolina ang binabox out niya and yet naitulak niya pa si Carolina papunta sa ibang lugar para hindi niya makuha yung rebound.
Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na parang ang tangkad dyan.
Oh! I thought that was gonna be another dunk attempt for Ice, pero Carolino met him up top.
Nakabuelo siya, pero may nakaabang na Carolino.
I've been waiting for a dunk from this guy, and yet yung mga attempts niya, napapatalong kay. Look at that, oh.
Kanina doon ang warm-up nila, dumakdak yun.
Oh. Finally, he finally makes a free throw.
May napasok naman siya kanina.
0 for 4 siya kanina. Ngayon, this is first one.
2 out of 2 now for Isaac Benting. We're now tied again at 42 with 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining in our third period. Delfino.
Offensive foul. Clear offensive foul there by Sinke.
Another turnover for Level Up Lubao. Sideline inbound for APALIT.
John Zita.
You know one thing about APALIT, I love it. Yung team na to, sobra yung puso na ginagamit nila dito. As well as Level Up Lubao, but you know, being veterans.
Yes.
You having Isaac Benting on the floor.
Totoo. Itong Level Up Lubao, they're forcing a traveling violation. Alam ko na ang ginagawa ng Lubao eh. With the full court press that they're trying to do, they're trying to speed up the game. Patakbuhin natin ang patakbuhin ng APALIT. Kasi yun yung advantage ng Lubao eh. They're a fast-paced team. Hindi sila half-court team. So that's what they want. Tumakbo ng tumakbo. At one way of doing that is go full court press. Mapipilitan tuloy tumakbo din itong APALIT.
Na-warningan doon si Edmar Dizan for faking a foul. At that Khaled Makapagal.
That thing's running. Kala ko yung alley-oop eh.
Na-contest lang doon ni John Zita. Mort Manalang. Balik kay Delfino ang bola. Franz de la Cruz against Danting. Perfect matchup, no? Franz de la Cruz, Isaac Danting.
Yes.
Natapik pa doon. Ano ito na?
Ang bola daw ng Lubao.
Alam mo kaya hindi na hinabol ni Edmar Dizon. Akala niya last stop doon ng Lubao.
Oo. Di na niya hinabol eh. Thought na siya or bola nila. But, you know, pag sa mga gantong laro, you don't have to second guess. Kung kaya mong kunin mo na, di ba? So the more you second guess, din mo, lost opportunity tuloy para sa kanila yan.
We're still tied at 42 with 45 seconds remaining on the game clock. Balik ang bola kay De La Cruz. He's asking for help. Back to Delfino. Balik ang bola kay Manalang.
5 seconds on the clock.
De La Cruz, jumper again. Off to the right. Rebound by Manalang. Dizon asked for it. Look at how cute. Makita mo itong si Edmar Dizon and Justin Cruz together. They look like twins.
Did you say cute? Is that the word you use? Cute?
Cute. Nice stop coming from Herlego.
Pantay na pantay pa rin sila. Look at that. After 3 quarters, we are still tied right now at 42. Grabe, wala pa rin may clear advantage. After 30 minutes of action, as we will see, itong highlights natin, especially from level of LUBAO. Franz de la Cruz, 18 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, the 20-year-old phenom once again. Looking to lead itong level up LUBAO to victory dito and take game number 1. But may 10 minutes of action pa tayo at all-time tayo at 42, entering the 4th and final quarter of game number 1 ng 2024 Delta Cup Finals.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Isaac Danting on your screens. 14 points, 9 rebound, and 4 assists. On the semis game, LUBAO won by a 2-point margin against APALIT. I love it, the 67-65 ratio.
Yes, and karamihan ng points niya, pahirapan talaga that game. And he even ended up being subbed out of the game because may cramp siya ngayon. Araw, 10 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists. Nearing a double-double performance. Itong si Ice Danting. And actually, yung points niya, hindi man coming in bunches, but yung timely baskets that he is hitting. The buzzer-beating 3-point shot. Yung mga attempts niya are always in the flow of the offense. Hindi niya pinipilit gaano. Pag open court lang, dun niya atake. And I like the fact that 4 assists, yung 4 assists na yun, it means he's trying to involve his teammates as much as he can.
We enter the 4th and final quarter of this ball game. You know, Enzo, the question is, are we going to have another 5 minutes?
Mamaya mo na yung tanong yan. Baka maging totoo eh. Maging totoo pa yun.
At the end of the first quarter, we're tied at 13 when we end it.
Oo. Halftime, 3 lang lamang. Yung third quarter, tayo ulit. Mamaya mo na tanongin yan.
Baka mag-extend pa talaga.
Oo, sure na eh.
There's a whistle.
Silvestre ata. It is on Silvestre. He pushed Zita off of him.
Papahinga muna sa dito ni Coach Zaldi Messina. JP Maglalang checks in for Silvestre. De la Cruz, back to Sean Lorico. Look at that. Balikan lang! Tinapos ni Franz de la Cruz ang second quarter ng triple. Sinimulan niya ang third quarter na may triple ulit. At sinimulan na naman niya ang fourth quarter.
And don't forget, sinimulan niya yung laro ng triple, di ba? Do not forget that. I mean, again, the most dangerous man coming off an inbound is the inbounder. Kasi hindi mo alam saan siya pupunta right after. And Lorico recognized, pagtakbo ni De La Cruz, pag-flash niya to the three-point land, walang bumantay. Hit him and hit the three-pointer for De La Cruz.
He has been Mr. Everywhere. He knocks it on the center, on the left wing, right wing, on the corner. Really phenomenal player for level up LUBAO. Kaya kahit nakapahinga dito si CJ Delfino.
Oo. Pwede pa rin, di ba? Oh, good block by Zita. Again, Zita saving the day for LUBAO. Layo.
It's a rebound by Manalang. Lactus once again.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! It's a bad fall for Justin Cruz.
But that shot will count for John Zita, but Justin Cruz is down on the ground. This is good sportsmanship from Zita. He is going to go and check on Justin Cruz. He did not mean na tumumba doon si Zita.
It's a very bad fall.
We saw it.
Justin Cruz. Napangalaki yung mata ko kasi sobrang delikado ng bagsak, but he's standing up right now.
Hindi naman napakatibay ng bata. He just stands up right there. He just stands up and walks back to the bench. Take a look at this hard fall for Justin Cruz. There you go.
Grabe.
And then, lumabas na naman yung walis ting-ting. Oh.
Level up Lubao, now up by 5, 47 to 42, 8 minutes and 54 seconds. Kent Montalvo checks in. Six-point lead. Edmar Dizon. Balik kay JD Harlego. Almost too strong. Ito na, matangkad tong si Kent Montalvo.
I was gonna say that. Buti na matangkad to si Montalvo.
Tinalon pa niya yun eh.
Oo. And again, Manalav's down on the ground one more time. Look at that, the fans nag-aasaran na. This is the environment of the finals. I mean, this is your first finals game as an anchor, di ba? Yun, nagkatamaan sila pareho ng ulo, nagkaumpugan sila.
Kaninang kinakabahan pa ako eh. Parang, di ba pag usually maingay ako, kanina nananahimik lang ako kasi...
Napansin ko, wag ka mag-alala. Normally ako nauuna dito sa table, pero kanina naunahan mo ko.
Kinakabahan kasi talaga ako.
Well, imagine mo, we're paneling this game. Paano pa kaya mga players, di ba? Paano pa kaya mga naglalaro? I mean, that comes with the pressure of the game. And look at that!
Oh, JP maglalaki. Look at his reaction after that.
He just muscled his way through Sinke. Look at that. Oh. Kinargal lang niya si Sinke doon. All of Sinke's weight was on him and he just buried him right there underneath the basket.
Pero yun nga talaga, yung free throw na naman talaga.
And that's gonna be a factor coming into the last stretch of this game. Can you hit your free throws? LUBAO has been hitting theirs. APALIT has not. Traveling.
Against one of the best point guards for Hustle Rising Sun, San Lorico.
Tatlo na kasi kung sumalubong sa kanya dun eh.
D-back. Up to Dizon. Look at that. Dizon tumaglalang.
Masyado na malalim.
4-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. 7 minutes and 56 seconds remaining.
And may napapansin ako dito, Pen, ha? Still no sign of Lendel Garcia for APALIT. Ang tagal ni Lendel nakaupo.
Dahil Edmar Dizon and Justin Cruz has been so phenomenal on what they have been doing for the plays of APALIT.
That's true.
3-man up top for Level Up LUBAO. Naagawan doon si Denting. 7 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. 48 to 44, still a 4-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. Nabubulol na ako.
Okay lang yan.
Bounce pass! Look at that. CJ Delfino, nanghihinayang siya. Sayang na sayang siya on that possession.
Kasi libre-libre yung gitna dun eh. And yet yung nagbigay ng screen, itong si Carolino, hindi pumunta sa basket. Ito pala yung napansin ko, hindi natin tinatanong. Ilan yung mga present na barangay captains niyo sa LUBAO?
Sabi nila, 44 lang daw ang
44 lang daw ang barangay.
Baka kasi nabilang yung ABC president.
Yes, kasi mga officials ng barangay, di ba? Maybe that's what they were counting.
I asked Coach Alan kung ano ba ang pinakamalaking municipality. LUBAO daw talaga.
LUBAO daw talaga.
44.
That's why. Sa suporta naman ng crowd, di ba? Kita mo, pantay lang. Ang daming white, ang daming blue.
And you know, fun fact, itong Intertown, 7 times pa lang napa-champion ni Coach Alan Trinidad ang LUBAO Pampanga sa Intertown.
So, bali pag nanalo ang LUBAO ng championship, first time na outside of the Alan Trinidad era. Oh, okay.
11,000 viewers in our Facebook Live.
As Justin Cruz scores para dito sa, or sorry, not Justin Cruz, Edmar Dizon.
Gampa kasi, di ba?
I now agree with you. Pati ako na gano'n na rin.
Pagtalikod, number 8 pala.
Oo. Kaya ka nagulat ako, number 8 pala. Parang yung makapagal tsaka Montalvo, di ba? Takaw lang yung pinagkaiba. Take a look at that move by Edmar Dizon.
He's against Sean Lorico.
And yun yung actually same move na ginawa kanina ni Franz de la Cruz on Edmar Dizon in the first half.
Tumakbo pa dun si Sean Lorico against him, pero hindi siya nagpatinag. As John Zita back to CJ Delfino. 2-point lead for LUBAO with 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Jumper for Delfino.
That's the way to defend CJ Delfino. Make him a jump shooter. He's not really known for his shooting yet. Yun yung ginagawa na
for
APALIT.
driving the basket. Almost a miss. Danting for 3. Off to the right. Rebound by Manalang.
Also another guy not known for shooting. They can both hit the three-point shot, diba? They've shown it in this game and also all throughout the tournament. Pero hindi talaga yun yung strong suit nila. Their strong suit is attacking the basket with ferocity.
Zita back to Manalang.
4 seconds na lang sa clock.
Delfino. 1 second.
Muntik pa yun.
12,000 viewers na. Wala pang isang
Grabe.
minuto ang lumipas. Parang naman siya dagdagan yung tao dito sa loob ng BREN.
Parang ganun din karami, no?
De la Cruz against Danting. Back to Manalang.
Oh!
What a rejection coming from the Growling Tiger and the former Blue Eagles.
Inabangan niya talaga yun. He was, binuelo niya yun. Alam niya, he needed to contest that.
Zita against Danting.
Turnover.
Montalvo is running. Musibak! Nice up fake!
Tie game na naman tayo.
With 5 minutes and 70 seconds remaining. We're still tied. No, we're tied at 48. We're being up by 6 points. The biggest lead of the ball game for both teams.
Yes. And look at the APALIT crowd right now.
Manalang to Delfino. Back to Manalang
open
for
look.
3. From the
Grabe.
Rainbow Territory, Mark Manalang puts it in the basket.
Same thing that he did no semifinals round, hitting big shots against APALIT.
Dizon. Dizon to Montalvo. Back to Danting. Danting for 3.
Layo. A foul on CJ. Landing spot foul. He did not give Delfino did not give Danting any room to land.
There you have it. Papasok na si Lendor Garcia for
Ito
Edmar
na.
Dizon. Take a look. Danting for 3.
Ayun, no? He did not give Danting any room to land. That's a landing spot foul for CJ. But here's the thing. If I'm Delfino, I'm actually happy with that foul. Kasi Danting will be to the free throw line, albeit he made the first. But may dalawa pa siya. Are you sure that Danting can make those 3, diba? You're basically challenging Danting to hit all 3 free throws. Suabe pa.
3.
So my percentage is still dropping.
Still, may isa pa for Isaac Danting to make this tied ball game again. But let's send it over to our courtside reporter, Francine Capili, para din sa update niya sa APALIT. I love it. Francine, go ahead.
Hello, Pen and Enzo. Comeback is the name of the game for APALIT, and especially returning player Isaac Danting, who is currently the leading scorer for Team APALIT. I had the opportunity to talk to Ice, and I asked him what he thinks his biggest challenge would be after his absence last game. Para kay Ice, the weight of the pressure on his shoulders to perform well, and especially for the ever-present crowd of APALIT would be his biggest feat. Dahil madami ang umaasa, ang sabi ni Ice. And Ice is very critical about his performance, so I asked him how he would overcome those challenges and to stick to the game plan and have better decision-making and feel less pressure from the crowd, ang sabi ni Ice. So let's wait and find out if he can deliver another performance that is one for the book for Team APALIT and Delta Cup. Now back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much. Hindi na tayo magkarinigan dito.
Oh. Grabe. This game, I mean, albeit to France, I heard a couple of things. The crowd daw talaga is can be something for dagdag pressure para kay Ice Danting, but it also is a blessing. Di ba na ganito yung suporta, but it also adds to the pressure. But then again, look at that. Tie game na naman tayo at 51.
Mga kababayan, once again, handa na ba kayo para sa ating Kiss Camp? Kiss naman dyan! Alright, pagkakataon na ipakita ngayong pagmamahal kay Acheng. Kuyang, kiss mo si Acheng! Kiss! Kiss naman dyan! Aru, ayaw. Ayan, ayaw na. Ayan, naman ang kasunod natin. Kiss ka naman dyan! Yun! Alright! Ayaw mo, ha? Eto ba? Kiss naman dyan! Kiss naman dyan, Koyang! Alright. Eto! Apong! Kiss mo naman si Nanang, Apong! Ayan, ayan, sa kabila. Kiss naman dyan, Tay. Kiss! Ayaw eh. Kumpare pala, tsaka magkumare. Sorry.
Kung gaano katamis ang kiss cam na yun, ganun kainit.
Yun sila nagsasabayan, no? Init ng laro, tapos yung tamis ng kiss cup.
Side at 51. With 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. CJ Delfino, still no good for the three-point shot. Montalvo with the rebound.
There you go, Ken. He knows his role in this ball game. Doesn't need to score, but he needs just to do his work. Look at that. Look at that, diba?
Na-short lang siya, pero nakuha na yun. He puts it back to the basket.
Rebounding. Second chance points para dito sa Apalit. Lamang na lamang talaga sila sa department na yan. A good help.
Ang ganda ng agaw doon. Ni Yuri Masibak to Franz de la Cruz. Apalit is now up by 2. 3 minutes remaining. Bunting with the jumper. Masibak with the rebound.
Look at that.
A traveling violation against Yuri Masibak.
Out-jumping Zita, Delfino, and Franz de la Cruz. Itong si Yuri Masibak. Out of nowhere, he just jumped right there. But good block there by Zita.
With that 3-man up top for level up LUBAO against Yuri Masibak.
And Lorico's now back into the ballgame for LUBAO dahil nga they're face guarding Delfino from full court.
Lorico, back to Manalang. 13,000 Facebook viewers. Pangan, it's in and out. Rebound by Montalvo. I said takes time. Kent back to Garcia. They can go for a 3, but they have to make it sure that it goes in.
Oh, and
but they can go for a
open.
quick 2. It's open for Ice, but unluckily it doesn't go in.
A good block by Danting. What a block there by Danting.
Last 2 minutes!
Wala kay Danting ang bola. They're still up by 2. 1 minute and 52 seconds. Back to Montalvo. He's asking for a screen. Masibak. Masibak will drive. Great D coming from level up LUBAO. This is CJ's time.
Oh! Grabe! Grabe naman yung tira na yun ni Delfino.
But the referee said
They're saying a fan. They're saying a fan hit Delfino. That's what they're pointing. They're saying a fan hit Delfino. Take a look at this right here. That's a crazy shot by Delfino, but they're saying that yun ang nireklamo na LUBAO, a fan hit Delfino daw. It's right here as he flexes. There's a fan who stands up. Pero tinamaan ba? Oh no. All the barangay captains are entering the court.
And here, Coach Pedic Di Matulak already stands up.
You do not want this. Fans should never get involved. You saw that. All of the barangay captains made a beeline to the fans sa baseline. Now, I don't know who was it. But there's someone at the baseline na tinamaan daw si Delfino, and we all saw it on the replay. And the captain, yung mga barangay captains ng Lubao, all stood up and made a beeline to the fan.
Look at that, Delfino.
And look at that, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, pinipigilan na rin yung mga barangay captains. Take a look. There's a fan who just stood up and then hit Delfino there. They should throw that fan out. Whoever that fan is should be out of the court. I'm sorry, Pampanga fans aren't one of the best fans, but you cannot do that to a player. You should not do that to a player. If you're a fan, we're here to enjoy. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin yun sa player, regardless of what team you're cheering.
The fan should not be involved.
Oh, you should throw that fan out of the game. And personally, Pen, I'm gonna get a little bit personal. I don't know what he's smiling about, ha? As if he did a good thing. Natanamaan niya si Delfino, ha? He should not be smiling kanina. Pwede kayo makipag-asaran sa player. Say what you want, but you cannot hit a player. And even on the other end, players are not allowed to hit fans. Diba?
Look at that, Coach Isa, Coach Pedek Di Matulak, and Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda is not happy
They're not
on what
happy.
happened.
A fan hits a player. And then nakita natin yung reaction ng 44 barangay captains. They all went to, diba, confront that guy. Kaya nag-alala din sila, Gov.
Napababatan si Coach Pedek.
Eh, kahit ako, natakot ako eh. Lahat ng 44 barangay captains made a beeline,
They have
diba?
authorities in their municipality. At bakit hindi nila yun gagamitin, lalo na't nasaktan yung isa nilang players. But of course, the fans should not be involved. Hindi na tayo dapat pa mag-add ng gasoline to the fire.
Yes, exactly. Enjoy the game and just be calm, diba? Players are not allowed to hit the fans. Players are not allowed to hit the fans. And fans are not allowed to hit players.
Kaya hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na basta-basta lang itong Delta Cup 2020. But look at that. We have here a lot of
Instant
police.
replay and the police. Saludo tayo sa mga security natin. There you go. You saw it. He hit Delfino there.
Foul and one is complete for CJ Delfino. They now up again by one. Masibak! Almost a miss. Balikan kay Lanting ang bola.
A minute and 18 na lang natitira sa laro.
Balik kay Lanting. Lanting against two.
Good defense.
But still, the boss stays on the offensive side.
Again, a second chance point for APALIT. The offensive rebounding of APALIT na nanalig, but hindi lang nila nakakapitalize.
Ganito na naman yung nangyari ng semifinals matchup nila.
Yes.
This is how close the ball game when we are in the semifinals at ganun pa din natin tatapusin itong fourth and final quarter.
Same thing, di ba? Grabe. And the hero of the semifinals game is at the free throw line, Ben.
It could be the hero once again. Can they give their second consecutive loss for APALIT na nanggagaling sa kanila?
Oh, look at De La Cruz!
Rebound by De La Cruz. Delfino on the drive.
Zita, again, the savior of LUBAO.
At that 3-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. 56 to 53 with 50 seconds remaining.
Grabe, John Zita na naman, di ba?
Tinanong ko pa lang can
he be the hero? Ang sagot ni John Zita, yes, I can, di ba? But, compared to semifinals, he had 10 seconds to do that, to become a hero. Dito may 50 seconds pa ang APALIT to come back, di ba? And look at that, may nagubad na t-shirt. And even yung mga APALIT fans nagulat. Take a look at this. Look at that. Zita really energetic after the basket. Crucial basket again.
The bench of Level Up LUBAO. Noong nakita ko kanina talaga kung gaano ka-supportive itong mga teammates si CJ sa kanya.
Oh.
You know, CJ showed a little emotion earlier. He almost cried. And look at the 44 barangay captains of the municipality of LUBAO.
Kinabahan ako kanina.
Of course, we would like to acknowledge Mayor Esme Pineda and Vice Mayor Zay Montemayor.
Who's gandun din sa upuan na yun. Crucial inbound right here for APALIT. Oh, good defense right there on the inbound. Di nila pinabigay kay Garcia.
Balik kay Garcia ang bola.
That is a crucial turnover for Garcia.
It's a crucial possession.
That is big. That is a big turnover para dito kay Lendel Garcia.
Look at that, Coach James Allen de la Peña showing that emotion.
Oh. Well, you win this game, you are one win away from the championship.
It seems like when you win this, you have a twice-to-beat advantage.
Oo, meron ka na talaga
This is a
twice-to-beat.
best-of-3 series.
Yes. And this will make LUBAO, if they come out victorious dito sa laro, they should hit their free throws, by the way. But if they come out victorious dito sa laro, that makes 4 consecutive victories na para sa kanila dating back to the semifinal round.
And this will be the second consecutive loss for APALIT coming from Level Up LUBAO.
Oo.
The very important free throw shot for Sean Lorico gets in the basket. Lendel Garcia against France de la Cruz with
They have to go
30
quick.
seconds remaining.
Yes, they have to go quick. You told the time. Oh, it's a bad foul from Lorico. And look at Coach James. He did not want Lorico to foul there because you're gonna give 2 free throws na nakapatay yung oras. But then again, you're gonna put Danting again to the free throw line and it's a gamble. Kanina I said, di ba? Haka Danting. But then, he hit 3 free throws. Pinaya ako ni Ice. But right now, you're going to bank on that. Bank on the percentage. Play the percentage that Ice misses. But if you're APALIT, can Danting channel that inner shooter one more time? And he might have just channeled that right now. Kita mo, kalmado na siya eh. Hindi na niya minamadali yung routine niya.
First one goes in for Ice Danting. 2 out of 2. Napatawag dito ng timeout si Coach Allen de la Peña.
Yes. Like I
Just
said,
a 3-point lead
Yes.
with 23.8 seconds remaining. Pagbalik natin galing timeout, it will be an inbound for Level Up LUBAO, but there could be a missed possession. There could be a turnover. Madami pang pwedeng mangyari. It's just a 2-point lead, rather.
Yes. And like I said, it was a gamble for that foul ni Lorico. Gamble yun kasi you're gonna back on the percentage ni Danting, but he hit 3 free throws already before that. And nagamay na niya bali yung free throw shooting niya. So you're gambling. And the gamble did not pay off for LUBAO. For APALIT, you need 1 stop. 1 stop lang. Just for you to have a chance to get the ball and tie the game, diba? If you don't get the stop, here's the question. At what point do you foul and, you know, test the free throw shooting dito ng Level Up LUBAO?
Of course, the beautiful faces inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Alam mo, ang lilinaw talaga ng mata ng mga cameraman natin.
Eh, oo, magagaling mga yan. Kaya. And
Coach
syempre,
Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. You know, Enzo, let me know and other of the fans, how many months ang tinakbo na itong Delta Cup before we get into the finals?
I honestly, November. Since November. November 5 ata opening, if I'm not mistaken.
Because nakapasok na ako ng Delta Cup eliminations. Nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ng eliminations.
January ka na ata pumunta, di ba? January, February, I forgot.
Kanina 12,000 lang. Ngayon, 17,000 viewers on our Facebook page.
Dami. Oh, look at this.
Course,
Danan is on the floor. I think they're going to outlet it towards Danan in the front court. If hindi nila maibigay sa tatlong gwardiya nila sa harap.
This is a very important possession for LUBAO.
Oh! Near steal.
The question is, gagamit ba ng coach's challenge si Coach Zaldi Messina?
Crucial foul there on Montalvo. And it's all up to the 20-year-old phenom to shoot these free throws and possibly ice the game and win game 1 para dito sa LUBAO.
Franz de la Cruz. The first one goes and look at Vice Mayor Jay Montemayor and the rest of the 44 barangay captains of LUBAO, Pampanga. Sabi nila, isa pa daw.
They're throwing their ones up. You can see they're throwing their ones up.
You know, I really miss Mayor Esme Pineda. Yung
Tingnan
presence
dasal.
niya inside
Yes,
dito ng
but
ating Bren.
Kahit wala si Mayor Esme, you know that she's supporting.
Look at that! The emotions coming out from the officials of LUBAO, Pampanga.
1 win away from the championship. But I would love to say this, 19.6 seconds. APALIT down by 4, 19.6 seconds. Isaac Danting was part of that 6-point comeback of Louis Duan sa Sinag Liga Asia. He was a focal point of that 6-point comeback.
I was the reporter
Yes,
that time.
exactly. Kaya kami napagit ko eh. So, do not count APALIT I Love It out just yet. 4-point lead lang to with 19.6. A lot can happen pa.
Especially you have Isaac Danting, of course, our chairman for Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Rocky Chan, together with Ma'am Janice Chan and Commissioner Leo Isaak, and also stands as the COO for Sinag Liga Asia. May mga fans sa likod.
Siyempre natutuan sila ng camera eh. Yung mga happy mga yan, mga fans. Parang may ginagaya ka.
19.6 seconds remaining.
Is there gonna be a miracle right now for APALIT?
Let's see if Isaac Dantin can make wonders for APALIT Pampanga.
They're trapping him. They're trapping him. That trap worked. Grabe. They trapped Danting on the sidelines. And that, if you're APALIT, dun mo ayaw na ayaw ilagay yung bola sa sideline kasi itatrap nila kung sino man yung ball handler dun. And look who's at the free throw line, Ben. Look who's at the free throw line.
The hero of the game in the semifinals makes again the hero for the game number 1 of our finals best of 3 series. 2 out of 2 for John Zita. It's now a 6-point lead for APALIT. With 13.4, for level up LUBAO rather, with 13.4 seconds remaining.
And a steal pa by Franz de la Cruz.
Hindi na kasi tumingin dun si Isaac.
Oh. They take game 1 and they have a virtual twice to beat advantage entering game 2. 1 win away ang level up LUBAO for the championship.
1 more game for level up LUBAO. Next week we will find out if they will bring back the trophy to LUBAO Pampanga outside of the
Allen Trinidad era.
Allen Trinidad era. Pinagmalaki pa talaga sa akin ni Coach Allen eh. Look at that, CJ Delfino with that emotion. You know, I have to give a good credit for CJ Delfino. You know, nasaktan ka na, but still
Yes.
you kept your composure for
And
this ball game.
Let's not forget, he is and he will always be the best point guard of Sinag Liga Asia, di ba? Delfino just backed it up right now.
Grabe. 61-55. Kung no semifinals, nanalo ang level up LUBAO with 2 points ngayon, sinigurado na ng level up LUBAO that the bounce back opportunity for APALIT I Love It will not happen. No wonders for Isaac Danting for this ball game. 61-55 once again is our final score. A 6-point lead win for level up LUBAO, just 1 game away for the championship title. At babalik na sa municipality ng LUBAO, Pampanga ang Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament title and the first ever Delta Cup 2024. What a ball game we had. But now let's turn it over to MJ Raimundo dahil kasama niya na ngayon ang ating Delta Cup Best Player of the game. MJ, take it away.
Now I am with the best player of LUBAO Pampanga, Franz de la Cruz, with 23 points, 9 rebounds, and 4 assists. First of all, congratulations, Franz. Now, sobrang init ng labanan nyo against APALIT. Halos nagpapalitan lang kayo ng basket. You were undefeated at pinatunayan nyo yun ngayon. Ano ba yung naging mindset nyo during second half para tuluyan makuha ang kalamangan?
Yung mga may tagos ako.
Nagtiwala lang po kami sa game plan. Nagtiwala po ako sa mga teammate at sumunod lang po ako kay coach.
Now you have the advantage para makuha ang championship. Ano ba ang dapat namin abangan sa iyo at sa team nyo for the game 2?
Mas ibibigay pa po yung best ko para makuha yung champion.
Now I'm giving you the floor para batiin at pasalamatan ng mga sumusuporta sa LUBAO Pampanga.
Una-una kay Lord sa panalo to, kay Vice, kay Montemayor, kay Mayor SB, kay Cap, kay Coach Bert, Coach James, Boss Marty, mama ko, daddy ko, sina Atihan niya, Tinine, Tita Roda, Karen Pangelina, Richie, Kuya Tantan, Nico, yan po.
Now once again, that is the best player of LUBAO Pampanga. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much on that one, MJ. Grabe, 3 consecutive best player of the game for Franz de la Cruz at hindi nagkakalayo. 20 points, 21 points, and now 23 points, and they're now 1 win away from the championship title. Once again, 61-55 is our final score. Level up LUBAO, dominantly win against the APALIT. I love it. The upcoming game is on March 23, 2024, Saturday. Battle for third is Minalin All-Stars contra Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca. And for our game number 2 and for our main event, the finals game number 2 for our best of 3 series, APALIT I Love It contra Level Up LUBAO. For Francine Capili, Enzo Galarosa, MJ Raimundo, this is Penelope Wilhelmina. And on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, and Direk Ramonito Roa, at sa lahat ng men and women na nagtrabaho mula dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, this has been your Delta Cup 2024, and I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.